The coop awaits chickens. Let me give you the grand tour. Just finished painting the planter box to match the shed. Nesting box. That's all reclaimed cedar from some old planter boxes. Pretty much leave these open for ventilation, but you got tons of ventilation. And got the Dutch door here. Boy, that's the hen house. We got their little ramp, dust bath area, couple, what do you call those, perches? Whatever, still learning this chicken crap. Water, feed. Had to put a hinge on this bad boy just so we could get to it. But got the little watering cup dealies. Reclaimed chicken table. That's the inside of the hen house, I guess. And close this bad boy. Door to the hen house. Deb's got it all ready for her girls. Whatever. She even got the fake eggs in there. Tomorrow's picking up chickens day. But she's doing the deep bedding, deep litter bedding. Put a little linoleum down there. Another peekaboo door, which will probably end up just staying open. But anyways, that's it. We put the sunshade up because it gets brutally hot. This is the west side of the coop. Show you around the back here. We did the whole predator apron deal. It's extends 2 feet. It's the vinyl coated, plastic coated. Then we covered it up with rocks. So if they want to get in, they're gonna have to work for it. Got this little rain barrel deal. Reclaimed some metal flashing for a gutter. And that's my fancy gutter system, just PVC. And it goes in there, it's filtered, double filtered. There's one up there to keep the leaves and mesquite out, and then a finer filter in that thing. But anyways, that's the coop. Happy birthday to my awesome wife. Happy anniversary. She's finally gonna get some birds. Anyways, the Chick Palace. It's done.